Alrighty guys, this is the elevator here at the Holiday Inn Box here in Middlesboro, Kentucky. Looks like we have a Montgomery KONE. Oh, but this is nice. Yep, it is Montgomery KONE. Right there. So let's go to 3. Here we're at 3rd floor. Let's go down the key. Let's go back up to 3. Pretty nice cab. Awfully renovated. Montgomery KONE. $9.85, which is interesting. But watch this. The door open button doesn't work. Go down G. That is innovation, universal buttons. The older style. Right up there's a certificate. Damn, that's a good motor. Anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.